Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a super recipe that is everyone's favorite, that is vegetable pizza. I'll show how to make pizza in my style. Before going into the video, I hope you would have all enjoyed watching my videos. If you would have liked watching my videos, kindly press the like button. Do share my videos and do subscribe to my channel without forgetting to press the bell icon so that you will get all our notifications instantly. So we'll see the basic ingredients for making this pizza. First, we need to activate the yeast. For that I have taken 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, then half a teaspoon of sugar. So now I'm going to add this yeast first in a bowl. Then sugar. Then I'm going to add little bit of lukewarm water and mix everything well. And I'm going to mix this well and make this yeast activate. So this will take for about 10 minutes. We will not disturb this mixture for 10 minutes. Let this yeast activate. We will see after 10 minutes. Now we are going to make the dough, that is the pizza base. For that I am adding 1 cup of refined flour to a bowl, that is maida. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we are going to mix this well with our hands now. After mixing this well, we are going to add the activated yeast water and then mix it well with our hands. Now we can add little water and just make into a smooth dough. The dough should not be too tight nor too loose. Make it accordingly like we make for a chapati dough. Now the dough for the base is ready. So we are going to rest this dough for 1 hour. So I am covering it with a clean wet towel. If you have a cling wrap, you can use it as well, but wet towel works. So after 1 hour, we will see. Now it's 1 hour. We'll open and see the dough as raised well. Again, we are going to knead it for 2 more minutes. Now we are going to divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Now we have divided the dough into 2 equal portions. Again we are going to rest it for 10 minutes. So we'll cover with the same cotton cloth for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we'll make the base. Now I have dusted maida and I'm going to roll this flour slightly thicker. If you want pizza to be a little bit thinner, you can roll it into your desired shape. I'm rolling it little bit thicker. Now just press the edges so that a dent appears at the edges like this. And now we are going to prick with a fork. Now we are going to cook this pizza base just for 5 minutes. So I have placed it in a plate and I am going to keep it inside our oven. So now I am placing it inside a kadai. The kadai acts as an oven. I have added salt in it. You can see it in our previous baking videos. Now I am going to cover it and cook for 5 minutes. So now our half cooked pizza is ready. So initially we'll add the pizza sauce now. This is store bought one. You can use if you have homemade pizza sauce also. Spread the pizza sauce all over the base. Now we have spread the sauce all over the pizza. So this is a double cheese pizza I'm going to make. Initially we'll add a layer of cheese first. Now on top of it I'm adding capsicum. You can add any vegetables of your choice, like either you can add tomatoes, onions, olives, mushrooms, paneer, sweet corn. Anything you can add of your choice. I'm adding tomatoes now. little bit of onions. On top of it, I am adding some more cheese to make it a bit cheesier. Now our pizza is ready to bake. I am keeping in a steel plate only. So this should be baked for about 10 to 12 minutes in medium flame. We'll close the lid now. Now next we'll make mushroom pizza. So initially we'll start with the pizza sauce. Try spreading it all over the pizza base now. Now initially we'll top it with vegetables. This pizza has less cheese. So initially capsicum. Next we'll add tomatoes. Now we'll add mushrooms. Now we'll add few onion slices here and there. Now we are going to add grated cheese on top of this. Now let's add chili flakes on top of it. If you have oregano and basil, you can add, or either you can skip it. It's not an issue. If you have, you can add. I'm just adding chili flakes and then a dash of pepper powder. Now the baking procedure is same for these pizza as similar to the previous one. Friends, our yummy cheese burst pizza is ready to serve now. See, the corners are browned. This is the end point of baking. Just 10 minutes is enough. The cheese has melted and delicious smell is coming. Look at the sides. The sides have become brown. So this is the end point. So we can remove this pizza now. Our mushroom pizza is also ready to serve. Friends, our yummy mushroom pizza is also ready now. I hope you all would have enjoyed watching the making of these two pizzas. Do try this pizza at your home and tell your valuable feedback in the comments. For the detailed description regarding the procedure and the ingredients I have given in the description box, kindly do check it out. Until I see you in another good episode, it's bye from Indian Kitchen.